Welcome to 8 Beginner Investing Tips, a comprehensive guide designed to help you embark on your journey to financial success. Investing can be a powerful tool for building wealth and securing your future. However, it's essential to approach it with knowledge and caution. In this video, we'll provide you with 8 essential tips to get you started on your investing journey. So, let's dive in. Set clear financial goals. The first step in investing is setting clear financial goals. Define what you want to achieve through investing. Whether it's buying a house, funding your children's education, or building a retirement nest egg. Understanding your goals will help you determine the appropriate investment strategies and timeframes. Create a budget. Before investing, establish a budget to manage your finances effectively. By tracking your income and expenses, you can identify areas to save and allocate money towards your investments. A budget helps ensure you have sufficient funds available for both everyday expenses and your investment goals. Diversify your investments. Diversification is a key principle of successful investing. Spread your investments across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. Diversification helps reduce risk and protects your portfolio from fluctuations in any single market. Start with low-risk investments. As a beginner, it's advisable to start with low-risk investments, such as index funds or mutual funds. These options pool money from various investors to invest in a broad range of assets. They are less volatile than individual stocks and provide a good entry point into the investing world. Learn the power of compounding. The earlier you start investing, the more time you have for your investments to grow through the power of compounding. Compounding is when your returns generate additional returns, creating a snowball effect. By reinvesting your earnings, your wealth can multiply significantly over time. Stay informed and educate yourself. Stay informed about the financial markets and current economic trends. Read books, watch educational videos, and follow reliable financial news sources to enhance your understanding of investing. Knowledge is your most potent tool for making informed investment decisions. Avoid emotional decision-making. Emotions can be detrimental to your investment success. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Stay focused on your financial goals and trust in your well-researched investment strategy. Investing is a long-term endeavor, and patience is a virtue. Seek professional advice. If you feel overwhelmed or uncertain about investing, don't hesitate to seek advice from a certified financial advisor. A professional can help tailor an investment plan to your specific goals and risk tolerance, ensuring you are on the right track towards financial prosperity. Congratulations! You now have the knowledge to take your first steps into the world of investing. Remember to set clear goals, diversify your investments, and be patient with your journey. Over time, the power of compounding will work in your favor and your investments will grow. So, go forth with confidence and build a prosperous financial future for yourself. Happy investing! For more financial tips and expert advice, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, take care, and invest wisely.